Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix Telegram verification code not sent. And in order for us to fix that, all you have to do is to head on over to your messages first and make sure that you haven't blocked the number in which Telegram uses to send people their verification code, which generally appears in 5 numbers. Another thing that you can actually try is heading over to your Telegram application, then making sure that you have tapped on the 3 lines and then you've tapped on settings. And while you're here at settings, you have tapped on message. And in order for you to view messages, we have to use 2 root, tap on privacy and security. You're going to scroll down, and in here you are going to see the option it is forwarding messages, and you are going to make it as anybody. And that's it for this video. I do hope that it did help. If it didn't, you can just leave a question at the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video.